Then I thought, oh, well, can't we give it a rest for one day? It's not about that. It's about being thankful. It's about having a feast. Anyway, I thought I'd read this poem, so I brought in this poem. But do you think we can add some music to the intro? Yeah?
And the road is closed. Still the cars pull in. Now the day is young, so we begin again. And I shut my eyes to what might be a cool recess beneath these old.
I'm not gonna lie to you. I've read this like 3 times already, and I keep having to start over because it chokes me up. It brings a tear to me eye, as they would say in Ireland. But okay, so I'm read this. This is What I Meant to Say by Michael Murphy for Thanksgiving. What I meant to say. What I meant to say was, how can I possibly say goodbye to the person who was the first to hold me, the first to feed me, and the first to make me feel loved? From a distance, I watched you move about, doing the mundane tasks that to everyone else seem so routine. But for me, the tasks you lovingly completed year after year built and reinforced the foundation, the structure that made my world a safe and comfortable place to grow. All that I am and all that I have can be traced back to you. Whatever accomplishments I have made along the way would not have occurred without first believing in myself. And you were the person who always believed in me. Now on my own, I am amazed at the number of times I hear your words flow from my mouth. This ventriloquist phenomenon was at first most irritating, but now warms me as I've come to understand that there is a part of you that will live on in me forever. When time parts us, I pray that you will reach across from the other side again to touch my face and whisper in my ear, for your warm and gentle presence in my life. For this, I will always be most thankful. Yes, Mother, you inspire me. Hawa. Hizagain, Mama. I love you. Okay, I got through it. Miigwech. Thank you for watching. Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. Hawa.
Want some eggs, my boy?
Oh, hey there, Grandma. Yeah, sure, I'll take some eggs. I gotta do a podcast first, but this should just take a minute. Have you been outside yet? How is it, Agwaching? Anin, Ajiwe Bak Agwaching. Oh, it's really nice. The sun's coming up. Yeah, okay. Maybe that'll be the word today. Okay, I'm just gonna cue up the music here and get started. Let's see, where is it? Here we go. And Boozhoo ni Janashanabe Doog. Welcome to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana Boozhoo Nindigenous Nakaz, and our special phrase today is sunrise, Mukaam, sunrise. And let's see, what can I say about Mukaam in Ojibwe culture? Well, in our way, we honor Mukaam, we honor the sunrise, we honor Jesus. You know, it's good to get up early in the morning when the sun is coming up. It's good to get out there with your sema. Offer some tobacco to the spirits of the east. Hold that tobacco up and say, Boozhoo Jesus, Dapanan Niwia Sema, Manadugo Wede, Wabanung. Accept my tobacco, spirits over there in the east. Because that's where Mukaam is. It's in the east. And, just put out some tobacco and say, Miigwech. Thank the Kichi Manadu for all your blessings.
And I know it never once crossed your mind, but you left me down in the dirt, and I was so far behind. But I've come so far, and I've run so fast. How long do we have? How long can we last? I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. It's cold outside. Let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on
There's two things I learned. Well, there's one thing I learned, a couple of things, but they say you can't feel two things at the same time. You can either feel anxiety or you can feel gratitude. But it's hard to be worried about stuff and grateful for stuff at the same time. So I say just go out there and be grateful. I'd rather be grateful than worried. And then at night, Bangishimo, when the sun sets, be grateful that you made it through the day.
from what I've seen, nothing's meant to last. But I can't move forward, and I'm living in the past. But I've come so far, and I've run so fast. How long do I have? How long can I last? I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin, and it's cold outside. Let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on and on and on and on again and again, my friend, the end.
Say miigwech. All right, and I want to say miigwech to you people watching this podcast this morning. It's going to be a good day, and I'm wishing you all the best. So, okay, that's all I got for today. I'm going to say, Giga Wabamin, Minawa. I will see you again. Thank you for watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and I will see you again. Igawabamin Minowa. Owa. All right, good enough. Hey, Grandma, you got any more muckade mush kiki wabu? I'm all out of coffee.